talking about fears lately a lot, and I got an idea like, why not give you some manual how to actually do this work for yourself? Because you may maybe want to work with me, but you still may fear, or work with someone else, or buy something, or do something. So this is the best way how I deal with the fear, or what I found. And I would like to share it with you. So let's go straight to it. The way how I do it is, what I love the most is to like go back into the past. Like let's travel into the past. When this fear you feel right now was created. And it doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be even right, because the here you let your subconscious mind to guide you. So whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It still will work. So let's say that you fear the change, you fear of change. You want to maybe increase your prices or change something or go for group coachings instead of individual coaching or whatever it is. Maybe you want to change your work. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do and you fear to do it, then ask yourself like when did you felt this first time, when it was created, and let your mind to go there. You can close your eyes even. You can imagine your whole life like a timeline, and go there where it is, where your mind points you, or any other way how your mind will guide you there. And you go into that past, into that event. And that's there you feel into it. You go over the event and you feel how you or feel how you felt before, what you thought, because this strong emotion created this imprint in you. When you acknowledge that, then we are going to shift your awareness of the whole situation, because you will find out that it's actually something which you misunderstood, but at that time you didn't know it. So it's like going very, very high, like into your higher self, into the universe, into the God presence, or you can impersonate God. I don't know, whatever you want to do. You can imagine the lift going upwards and meeting your soul, your higher self, or the pure consciousness, and just look at that event from that perspective, from that viewpoint, from this high viewpoint, right? You were here and now you are here. So you see it all. And you ask yourself, what is the gift in this? What I was supposed to learn, what I was supposed to see. And that is when the shift starts. And you keep doing it as long as you feel it's complete. And from that state, you like create a new belief right now, because now you see what it was about, and that you misunderstand it and interpret it, and then you see what was it about, what was the gift, what you were supposed to learn. And through that learning, you actually create a new belief, which is now like even illogical. And then when you are done, you will go back to the present. And you can imagine it also as a journey, as travel through your life, and let all of these situations which happened because of the bad, or not bad, is misunderstanding, how you understood what happened before, like it's popping out, it's leaving you, it's gone. and you arrive into the present and how you feel. It may be something that will need some repetition, of course, and don't be surprised if you will feel some release. Like you may feel angry, you may cry, um, whatever release is needed. Usually it's crying, which is not bad. It's just actually very good. It's a release of the emotion, the stored emotions, and understanding. So when you understand or see some you get this guidance, this download from the higher consciousness where you are going in this technique. Some of the information can be really like shaking you, how powerful it can be. So don't be surprised. However, I do this and also another technique with my clients. So if you don't want to do it alone, book a session with me, or you can try it, and then we can maybe continue more with your process as well. So let me know. Yeah, definitely let me know how you like this process and how you feel after. It's very powerful. I like this viewpoint of this gift energy in that situation, in that fear, what happened in that belief. It's actually very nice for me and lifting. It also gives this feeling that it was not vain. What you went through. Usually it's a big suffering or pain, and then like you are in this victim consciousness and victim state. But when you look at it from the higher consciousness, then you feel more empowered, or you feel empowered, and you see that it was meant to be and why it was meant to be. It's absolutely different, and it's a very big shift in the consciousness. So I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments, and if you would like to work with me, contact me. We can schedule a human design reading or the coaching together, whatever you feel. And talk to you soon.